Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover similar applications to that of the Sixpack app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the last icon down below, where you can find these top fitness apps ranging from home workout to gym workout applications. If you are interested in any of these, all you have to do is tapping on the free download icon in the right side of the screen. Now you will be directed to your app store, where you can start downloading that particular application you are interested in. All you have to do is clicking on the button Get that you can see in the middle of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.